Hi folks, we're going to do a demonstration right now of the Golden Technology Light Rider NV-LT, also called a GP161 mini power chair, portable power chair. So this is the unboxing of the Light Rider NV. So when you get your box, it'll be like this. It'll probably be sitting on a pallet. We don't have a pallet here, but it was sitting on a pallet. So the first thing you'll do is cut your strings here. If you have a better knife than mine, it'll be a lot quicker. Then you'll pull the string out of here. And then what you'll do, you'll open the box and be careful. There's going to be staples right here and they're very sharp, okay? So if you get those, I would recommend pulling them out before you do anything else. And I don't have a tool yet. So I would recommend before you unbox the rest of it, just pull them out. They come right out with a pair of pliers like this. That way you won't be bleeding doing your opening. So there's that and that. And then you're just going to open the box like this and like this. And you can open it here. And now I'm looking into the box right now. All I see right now is foam. So there's a piece of foam here. There's another piece of foam here. In the back of the box right here, I see a charger. So I'm going to pull this out. Then I see a corrugated box here. I'm going to pull that box out of the way. So the first thing that will come out of your box will be your seat. So we're going to put the seat over here for now. And the next thing we'll do, we'll take some more foam out. And then I see there's an arm here that comes out. We'll put that with the seat. And there's some more foam. We'll put that over there. There's another arm in the box. So we'll put that with the seat. And now the only thing you have left in here is your battery pack and your scooter, okay? The battery pack has a tie down on it. You'll see when you open the box. So the only thing you have to do is take this, cut the strap off the battery pack. If you want to pull the battery pack out, okay, which is not going to happen because there's another one. There's another tie down in the back. So let me show you. The best way to get this out is this. So that's your easiest way to get the chair out. So now you can see what I'm looking at right now. This is what you have in the bottom of your box. So if you cut the box the way I just did, it's going to be a lot easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the foot plate. I'm going to take this foam. I'm going to grab the foot plate and just pull it out. Okay? I'm just going to pull it out here like this. We have in the bottom of the box your owner's manual, and you have a bolt here for the seat that's in the bag, and we have the owner's manual. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to cut off for a few seconds. So I'm going to get rid of this box and then we'll come back and finish it. Folks, so we're back here with the base, and I was trying to take the battery pack out of the base so I can pull it out from the box, but you're not going to be able to because it's got these huge straps. So I'm going to break this strap also, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Okay, so it has this huge strap. So you're going to need a pair of nippers to break the strap. There's another tag on here you can pull out. And now we can pull the battery pack right out, okay? So now we're going to put it back in here. So we're going to put the chair together. So right now I see in the front here, there's a joystick right here. So we're going to put that over here so we don't damage that. That's very expensive. And also right here in the basket up front, there's a pole. Okay, again, you will need your knife to open this pole up. So everything is well packed. As you can see, they did a good job packing this scooter, so I wouldn't be afraid to ship one of these. So now you've got the pole, but your screw is in the owner's manual. So we're going to open the owner's manual right here. I know what's going to happen. My fat fingers, I'm not going to, there we go. So we've got that. We're going to pull the screw out. They even give you the wrench with the screw to tighten it, okay? So there's a screw and there's an Allen wrench here. That's for the arm, I'm sorry. So what you'll do, you'll take your seat post, and if you've noticed, your seat post has 2 holes, okay? So if you go all the way down, whoop, a little piece of foam again. So you can adjust it 1 inch higher. I'm going to put it at the low position, and you'll have to tighten up your bolt with your tools at home. So I'm going to put the pole in here, okay? And we're going to put the bolt through here. So let's see if we can do it. I'm going to put it all the way down to the low position. Actually, we're going to put the bolt from the front so I can see what I'm doing. So the bolt goes through the hole, and you can tighten it up by hand, and your nut goes in the back. All right, folks, couple things. When you put the pole on, I'm going to take the pole out. I'm going to go to the higher hole, and I'll tell you why. You want to go to the higher position, and when you put your pole in, okay, you want the 2 stoppers going front to back, okay? So the 2 screws facing the video or the left side of the scooter, okay? So if you see there's 2 screws there and there's 2 stoppers, you would think it would go like this, but it goes like this. And so your 2 stoppers are here and your 2 screws are here. So you want it right in line with this. And I'm going to put this in the higher hole, and I'll tell you why. I had it in the lower hole, and when I went to swivel the seat, the handle for the seat kept touching this over here. I was not able to swivel the seat as good as I wanted to. So I'm going to put it in the higher hole, and I'm going to put the bolt back on. Okay, so let's see if we can get this a little quicker here. Foot plate. Wow, the foot plate needs to be loosened up, of course. The seat, as you can see, it's just a seat post. So you go right to your seat post right here, and then it flips up. Then we're going to take the cover off of here so you can see a little bit better about the seat. And we're going to take this cover off of this one. I probably should have done it before I put the seat on. Okay. Put the seat back on. And now it locks. As you can see, now we can turn the seat so it turns that way. Oh, you got to push down on it. Okay. Push down, it turns. I was pushing up. Push down, push down. So when you have it on there, that's how it works. There's your arm. If you're right-handed, you just put the right arm over here. If you're left-handed, you'll take that bracket off the arm and put it on your left arm. 2 screws under here. So we're going to put the arm on. And they give you a little screw right here. I'm assuming it's for this bolt right here. Right under here, because I can't get the arm in. There we go. As soon as you have the arm in, you can tighten it up with this little wrench right here. Same thing with this arm. When you go to put the arm in here, this one goes. The other one, the screw is too far out. So I can bring the arm all the way against the seat and then take your little Allen wrench they give you and tighten it up. And what that does, when you tighten it up real tight, it takes all the play out of the arm. There's no play here. This little tag under here, I don't like these. What I usually do is I take them and I shove them back where they should be, where you don't see them. That's just a factory tag. So the key, I'm going to put the key in here. So now the scooter is in neutral. As you can see, it's rolling because back here, as you can see, there's 2 levers, okay? So I'm going to put the levers up, and now you see the wheels are locked. You can see it's not rolling. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the joystick that came with this, slide it in here, put it at the distance that you want, and then you lock it. There's a little lock position under here. You just turn it and lock it. Take your cable here and run it inside your chair here, and you will run it to the other cable, which is sitting right here inside the chair. Plug the two yellow ends together like this. And now we're going to go here, and we have no power, okay? So we're going to go back to the battery box right here. Okay. All right, so why do we have no power? I'm going to put the seat down. I probably have the battery box the wrong way. No, actually I do. Oh, folks, very important. When you get these chairs, I'm going to put it over here so you can see it. When you get these chairs, inside of here, there's two little blocks. As you can see, I just pull one off. It keeps the battery from connecting and shipping. So you got to pull these two little blocks right here from the ends here. And that is why I should have known that, because I've done that before. Then you slide the battery box in here. So before you put your battery box in again, folks, so now we turn the power on. And we have power. And now you have forward and reverse and everything. So folks, this was the unboxing. Oh, by the way, your flag goes right here in the seat. There's a special place right there on the back of the seat. You'll see a little place right there to put your flag into, okay? And your charger comes with your power chair. So folks, this is the unboxing of the GP161 Golden Technology Light Rider LT, Light Rider NV LT. So if you have any questions, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.